Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Mortal Shell 2 and your game keeps crashing and you keep getting this error and Unreal process has crashed, then you have come to the right place because in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error on Mortal Shell 2 easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to go into your Mortal Shell 2's games folder. The default location should be in your Steam's library. Here it is, go into Mortal Shell 2, binaries, Win64, and then you'll have Mortal Shell 2 Win64 shipping here. Now you're going to right click on it, click properties, go into compatibility, click on to disable full screen optimizations and click run this program as an administrator. After that, click apply, OK, and close this up. Now you're going to open up your start menu, you're going to write here run, and then you're going to write app data. You're going to go into local. You're going to find the folder called MortalShell2. Here it is. You're just going to delete this folder from here. If you want, you can also make a backup of it. So just make a backup, paste it somewhere else, and just delete it from here. Now you're going to delete it from the recycle bin, and then you're going to open up your games platform, which is Steam for me. And then you're going to right click on MortalShell2, click properties, install files, click verify integrity of game files here. Once you do that, it's going to verify your game's files, and once it's done with that process, now you can go ahead and play Mortal Shell 2 and you'll see that you will not face those crashes anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.